Beautiful guys, welcome back to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, watch this video and learn how to do the latest Ankara head wrap. Check it out here, see our outcome. That is what we want to achieve today in this video. So we're going to get to this video and learn how it is done. Now I have my Ankara, see how it is placed on my head, then I'm knotting it at the front 2 times to make it secured. After the knotting, the next step is to take the excess from the back to the front and tuck it in at the front. The way you are just seeing it, just tuck it in there. When you tuck it in, the next step is you fold the excess that you have at the front. You fold it the way I folded mine, like in pleat form. Just fold it like that. Then use your rubber band to secure that part. Use your rubber band to secure the part very well. Make it tight like 2 or 3 times go. Then you go to this step whereby you're going to just roll out the excess. There you're going to stretch it out and you're going to roll it out. Then you'll be saving it or securing it with our pin. I'm going to be pinning it down. I'm just trying to adjust that place to give me that my shape at the front. So that is what I'm doing there right now. Then I'm making use of my pin to secure the both sides so that it doesn't get scattered at any time. So that is just what I'm doing there now. Use your pin to secure. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and the comments below under the video. Thanks for watching. So I have secured it and I'm trying to adjust it. You can put it at center, right or left. So we are done. Look at the back and this is the final outcome. So see you in my next video and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.